What materials are blasting caps made of? Have you ever wondered what goes into the making of blasting caps? These small devices play a big role in high-risk professions, especially in military and defense operations. Let's break down the materials that make up these essential tools. Blasting caps are typically small metal tubes or shells, often closed at one end. The outer shell is usually made of thin metal. Historically, this was copper, but nowadays, aluminum is more common. Aluminum is lightweight yet strong, making it a great choice for this purpose. Inside the shell, you will find sensitive high explosives. These explosives are specifically selected for their reliability in igniting and triggering larger, less sensitive explosives. The materials used in blasting caps can be categorized into two main types: primary and secondary explosives. Primary explosive compounds include substances like mercury fulminate, diazotonitrofenol, lead azide, and lead styphnate. These materials are highly sensitive and act as the initial ignition charge. On the other hand, secondary explosive compounds consist of more stable yet powerful materials like tetryl, pentaerythritol tetranitrate, and cyclotrimethylnitronitramine. These are typically used as base charges to enhance the detonation process. To achieve the right balance of sensitivity and stability, mixtures of these compounds are often utilized. For instance, a blend of mercury fulminate and potassium chlorate was common in the past. However, modern blasting caps prefer more stable materials like pentaerythritol tetranitrate and cyclotrimethylnitronitramine for safety and effectiveness. The ignition system of blasting caps varies based on their type. Electric blasting caps contain a fine bridge wire embedded in the ignition charge. When an electric current flows through this wire, it heats up and ignites the charge. Non-electric caps, on the other hand, use a time fuse that is crimped into the cap. This fuse ignites the charge as it burns. In high-risk professions such as explosive ordnance disposal in the military, understanding the materials and mechanisms of blasting caps is vital. For example, in logging, controlled explosions initiated by blasting caps help safely clear large trees or stumps. The sensitivity of the materials inside these caps means that handling them requires specialized training and extreme caution. So, to sum it up, blasting caps are made of a metal shell, usually aluminum, filled with a combination of sensitive primary explosives and more stable secondary explosives. Their design and materials are carefully chosen to ensure reliable ignition while maintaining safety in challenging environments.